Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So if you remember back in September at Huawei Developer Conference 2020, Huawei confirmed that it would bring the Harmony operating system to its smartphones. And it seems Huawei is standing by its words because they already rolled out the beta version of Harmony OS to some devices. And now at the launch event of the newly announced Huawei Mate X2, the company confirmed that the Harmony OS for Huawei smartphones will be officially launched in April this year. Yes, be ready because the alternative to Android is finally coming to Huawei phones. But before we continue, if you didn't subscribe yet, just smash that subscribe button, follow with the bell for more daily tech news and reviews. So now let's continue. However, a new report today shows that the first smartphone with a pre-installed Harmony operating system should be the flagship Huawei P50 Series, which is expected to be announced in March. So I think Huawei will show the stable version of Harmony OS in Huawei P50 in March, and it will start rolling it to other devices officially in April. In case they confirm that the Harmony operating system will be rolled out to all Huawei devices in the first quarter of 2021, which basically ends in March. So finally it seems the wait is over. Anyhow, the global version of the Huawei P50 series is still expected to be equipped with EMUI 11.1, while the Chinese version will receive the Harmony operating system. The smartphone will not have Google services. Instead, users will be offered by the Huawei mobile services and the App Gallery store. And right now I don't have an exact list of smartphones that will get the Harmony OS, but every single Huawei phone out there will get it for sure. But for the time being, China is the first market that will have it, and then gradually Huawei will roll it to international market. And guys, honestly, it will be really hard for Huawei to try and convince users to ditch Android for a brand new operating system, because we've seen many companies in the past try to go up against iOS and Android, but it's failed. Although Huawei has managed to build up a pretty huge following over the years, Huawei is working hard to improve the App Gallery market as well. Because in 2020 it had up to 500 million monthly active users worldwide, and it's expanding further. So maybe they could be successful on that front. So let's wait and watch what will happen. So guys, that's all for today, and if you somehow like this video, subscribe to the channel will definitely made my day. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.